Documents confirmed. Proceed slowly.
All right, bring it right into Bay 4, steady on the brakes.
Keep them moving slowly, watch the turn. We're clear on this side, the ramp is secure.
Hydration levels look optimal across the board.
And the inspection confirms the animals are completely calm. No stress detected.
Keep moving, easy now.
Cycle start in 5, check the pressure.
Ensure the pressure is consistent on the flanks.
Yes, the system is holding steady. We are almost finished here.
Okay, everyone, we'll start the scanning sequence now. Ensure the chute is secure and prepare the samples for immediate processing. Heart rate is strong, breathing steady, body score is a 3.
Confirmed. Logging it now.
Weight confirmed at 1,500 pounds. Growth indicators are positive.
ID verified. Data uploaded to the central database.
Coat condition looks excellent, no signs of parasites. Sure.
Confirmed. Record the skin elasticity score as normal.
These heifers seem strong, but their intake dipped slightly yesterday. The digital reports confirm that. We should adjust the TMR.
Agreed. Let's increase the bypass protein for this group.
We need to verify the assessment profiles against the physicals.
I've cross-referenced the Group B data. It looks accurate.
Okay, send that to quality control.
The thickness and texture look good on this batch.
Yes, the grain is excellent. Approved for cutting.
The Holsteins look excellent today, very healthy coat quality.
Agreed. The new ventilation system is clearly making a difference.
All health standards successfully verified, Mr. Chen.
We are proud of our team. The cows are ready for transfer.
The facility is operating beautifully.
I've finalized the grading specs for the medium size.
Verified. The tolerances look good for the automated cut.
This batch meets the quality requirements, Character A. I've updated the digital tracking system. The stitching is perfect. We can approve this batch.
Additional stitching is applied to critical stress points of the jacket. Supervisors perform detailed structural inspections. The factory ensures long-lasting product quality.
How does the shoulder seam look, sir? It's perfect. The luster is exactly right. I'll sign off on this batch.
See this loose thread right here? We need that snipped before it goes out.
Got it. Snipped and approved.
We've secured the protective covers on this batch. Looks good. Approved for distribution.
Scan this tray here. We need 500 pieces logged by noon.